Yeah, we're just out doing an EVP in the cemetery. I'm right here at Joseph H. Thomas, who died in 1922. We just want to ask you a few questions. Is there anybody out here that is been murdered or that died recently, or are you male? Are you were you killed accidentally or murdered? Were you a little kid? How old were you when it happened? All we need is serious answers. I got people talking in the background that shouldn't be talking, so you have to ignore them. Don't just come to this little device and talk into the device. That's all I ask. And tell us what happened. If you were murdered or something, then we can help solve your murder or something. If you were accidentally or whatever happened to you, just let us know. Are you a good spirit? Are you a bad spirit? Are you buried near a loved one here? Do you have any unfinished business here on earth? That's why you haven't left? Do you have family and friends that are in the cemetery? Do you have... What year did you die? Well, let me tell you something. I believe in ghosts. And I know there's somebody out here because I heard them the other night. And don't be afraid to show yourself or speak into the microphone or anything. That's a car door in the background, just to let everybody know. Yeah, they listen in on our conversation, think we're crazy or something. Do you think we're crazy for trying to contact you? Do you think that we ought to be in the cemetery at night? Is there more than one spirit here? If there's more than one spirit here, all of you come. Just talk to us. We're not afraid of you, and we don't want you being afraid of us. Now, if you're a jerk and you're going to start saying bad things and stuff, then make this camcorder move or something. Or the DVR recorder move. It's sitting on Thomas's gravestone right now. Am I talking to Thomas? Am I talking to whoever's next to Thomas? I don't mean to be stepping on your head if I am. It says here you died in 1922. you were born in 1839. Emma Lee was born 1840, died 1885. Looks like you had a daughter or something, 1870. Oh, she died young, 1872. And then your Emma J, she died when she was only 3. I'm sorry to hear that. If you can get the babies to cry or talk to us, that'd be good too. Don't be afraid. I'd like to get some real evidence and just talk to me. I'm a real nice guy. At least that's what I think. I hope people think I'm a real nice guy. But I'm gonna sit here for a few more minutes and try to get somebody to talk to me. And I'll pause for a few minutes and let you talk. Well, it doesn't seem like nobody's moving or anything out here. Just seen a shadow over in the corner. Is that you coming towards me? Is that you standing right there? I don't have my camera on me. I just do the EVP, where my son and daughter, they have the camera and the recorder and the camcorder. Now you're gone. Don't be afraid. You can show yourself to me. And just don't kill my battery. Alright? Well, I see, this is a black shadow. Black shadows usually aren't good. You're right there beside the tree. If that's you, come over and talk to me. I'm getting goosebumps. Is that you near me? How old are you? Well, it's gonna be a long night, and I'm still seeing like a smoky shadow over here. If that's you, just talking to this camcorder right here. Can you please talk into the camcorder? I'm going to cut this one short tonight because I have to go pick up my other daughter, but I will be back tomorrow night to talk to you.